Julia, where are we?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. Olivia, where are we going?
I was like on the floor for like 10 minutes of shooting.
We're going to Minnamurra, like
Minnamurra Rainforest. You guys excited about going to a rainforest?
yes.
Yes. Oh, me too. You didn't study rainforest? I did. I know a lot about rainforest.
Biophysical environment.
Yes, I know a lot about rainforest. Do you know a rainforest fact? There's trees.
Yeah, I know there's trees.
Yeah, go.
Rainforest.
Isn't there like 1 hectare? Like 25 acre or something? Oh, I forgot it. No.
If you chop down like 1 hectare of rainforest, you take away about 1,000 species of animals. Oh yeah.
I think we should seriously sing along together. Like, it would be so harmonized. Is that a word?
We'll choose a song.
Let's have Ronan and Keating roller coaster. No, life is a roller coaster.
We don't know.
You know? The love. Oh my god, you don't know it! Oh, it's like a classic.
Sorry. Can you play a song that we can all sing?
Sorry?
Can you play a song we can all sing, please?
Because I know you have Ronan Keating in there. I did sports science!
I do have Ronan Keating.
Yeah!
Like I'm vlogging on a bus.
I'm on a bus and it's going fast.
She goes like, that's really lame.
Everybody look at me because I'm riding on a bus. We're Speedy. Oh, Casey, that's cool. Casey and the Sunshine Band. Olivia, she's a darling. Look at her go. Oh my god, turn.
I almost fell off my chair, that's all.
You're funny. Her cupcake died.
Okay,
Oh my God.
you asked for it.
Yes, Ronan! Yes! Yay!
Getting right to my heart.
Oh yeah, it was a person.
Without saying a word.
Line up the Is that Erica?
Yeah, that's Erica there.
Erica!
What I hate don't say a thing.
Ready? Okay, ready. The smile on your face, truth in your eyes. I was singing, I made this happen, wow. When you say nothing at all. Get out your phone, guys. Ready? Ready? Oh my god, where is it? Know all the harmony in this song. I'm not joking. They can never define what's inside between your heart and mine.
Dance now. And seriously go up and down the aisle. Like, I'm not joking.
Go, sing it out, Olivia. Go.
You say it nice. You say nothing at all.
Oh my god, she sang it to me.
I'm her Facebook lover.
I am. We are. Hey, he's gonna be in my YouTube video. What a hottie. No, actually, he was really gross. Oh my god. Yeah, we should speed up to him and be like, hey, what's your number? Sup, babe? Seriously, like, yell at my window.